Okay, we are so excited. Our first Candy Club subscription box has arrived. I have my friends Annie,
Yes.
Joey, and Amy who are here to help reveal the contents of the box. And for those of you that may not know, Candy Club is a monthly subscription of candy that is fun for the whole family to enjoy. How excited are you guys?
We're
We're
excited.
excited. All right, so each month there is 6 different candies that are delivered, and it is truly a fun experience for the whole family. So let's take a look at the box and see what we got.
I'm going to take out the candies.
That's
Okay.
a good plan.
All right, and you
That's-
ready to open the box?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah. I want to eat some
Ready?
candy.
Okay.
I'm going to try to eat it.
Ooh.
That's not candy.
Live sweetly. So let's take a look.
Okay.
Wait a second. Let Annie pull it out.
So, we have dolphin buddies.
Mmm.
So the great thing about this is there's 2 different flavor profiles that you can choose from, either mostly sweet or mostly sour.
Let's see what you have, Joey. Pull that one out.
See what you got.
Let's see what it is. Can I help you read it?
Gummy bears. Gummy bears.
Gummy bears? They are
Gummy bears. But I picked
They
them out
are
because Mommy's
Lush
holding them.
Bears.
You did a great job.
I picked them out. Okay.
All right, let's keep going and see what we got.
We got sour yummy octopus.
Ooh.
I'm gonna pick this.
You want to pick which one? Oh, this one. Let's see. What do they look like?
What's this? They look like ghosts that are green.
Green ghosts. They are big apples. Giant apple-shaped gummies infused with sweet, tart freshness.
So during the summer months, it
Joey,
looks
my
like there's all sorts of sour candies, so nothing,
Yeah.
so everything is heat friendly. And what's the last? We got 2 more.
These are sour pink Cadillacs.
Never heard of those ones. That's something different.
Yeah. We have berry blue sour laces.
Oh.
What do you guys think? It's a nice assortment.
Yeah. I'm gonna put them on my shoes.
Is
put
there
laces
one that
on
you
your
guys
shoes?
would want to try?
Do you want to pick one to try?
I would like to try.
What could I order already down?
Yeah, we'll talk about it.
I'm gonna try this one,
Okay.
even though I already have tried it.
So you
A
guys
shark?
can each pick one to try.
Okay.
I'm gonna go over
You've
here.
had that before another time?
Can I? 3. We've had
I think
something
let's
like
start
these.
with one. What did you have had like these? I don't remember ever seeing
You
these
know
ones.
the lemon? What the lemon that we got in pop sugar? The strawberry.
Oh,
We have a happy
yeah.
customer.
Sour.
I'll take
Sour,
one.
and what is the
I'll
other
have one
flavor?
too.
Is it like blue raspberry or just sour candy? You chew it up and then tell me.
Just sour candy.
Okay, Annie, are you trying that one or a different one?
I'll try a different actually.
Okay.
I'm gonna try the blue, the berry blue sour laces.
This one.
So
Okay.
one super cool thing about Candy Club that we thought was really neat is that they donate a percentage of their proceeds to the Birthday Party Project, which is an organization that helps bring joy to homeless children through monthly birthday celebrations.
They also do a great job of listing on here all of the information about what is processed in the facility where the candy is, and not just saying tree nuts, but it actually details out exactly which tree
I'm
nuts
actually
are
gonna try
involved
this.
in the
So
factory.
smart.
I'm gonna try this one.
Okay.
All right, Annie, what are you going to try?
I'm
We're
gonna
opening it.
Oh, we're
over
opening
here.
it. Okay.
Hey, it's the octopus. Thank you. Mom, how many can I take?
Just take one out for now.
Okay.
Okay, Joey, you gonna try one of those?
Smells good.
Yeah?
Sour.
Sour? This must be the sour box. I think that there's a sour, you can get a sour box or a sweet box.
Sour, sweet. I think we got the sour.
This
And
must be
you
the
should
sour
try
box.
this. Is
The
really
apples.
sour.
I've never seen that before. I know those look good.
I'm gonna try ahead.
How many are we eating, people?
4.
Okay.
So how many thumbs up do we give this?
4.
This is
4
a cool box.
I like these. These are very good.
Apple.
Can I
My
have
off camera.
Well, Annie, Joey, and Amy, thank you so
I
much
want
for
those.
opening our first Candy Club box.
Thanks for inviting us.
And
The apples are fantastic.
The apples are fantastic.
The laces are fantastic.
Awesome. So we have very happy campers here.
And this is fantastic with the shark.
Okay.
And we'll have to check back next month for our next box. All right, thanks, guys.
Bye.